Americans have progressively defined the process of plant growth and reproductive development in quantitative terms.
Fruits containing too much sugar have little or no value. Aerial photographs were promptly registered for thorough evaluation.
We study science to understand and appreciate the world around us. The article reflects a number of interesting experiments. Good research delivers practical benefit to real people. The article reflects a number of interesting experiments. Speed is defined as how quickly an object or a person moves. The sociology department is highly regarded worldwide. Climate change is a fierce phenomenon concentrated by scientists.